The rain isn't just a Canadian story. Through the first part of Friday, we're also seeing that rain continue south of the border as well. But through the day today, the system continues to push northward. Heavy rain at times continues through cottage country in Ontario. So this includes Bracebridge, Ontario. The rain has been falling quite steadily through the morning and will continue up until this evening. While the rain falls, here's what it looks like through the region. We know that the water is overflowing out of these rivers. We are seeing that roads have been washed out in the community as well. So the rain continuing at times until quite heavy until tomorrow evening. The area is under a rainfall warning, and it's not just within Bracebridge. It's also across much of central and eastern Ontario through basically the southern half of Quebec. That's the green you see on your map here. General rainfall amounts are going to be between 20 to 40 millimeters, potentially 50. The pink, including areas through the eastern townships, are under special weather statements. There's a look at the rainfall totals from Environment Canada, and you are seeing those splotches of purple indicating maybe 30 to 60 millimeters. Those are some of the higher amounts. Val-d'Or, Quebec, that includes you. Montreal, of note, potentially at least 40 millimeters of rain falling. Now, we've got special weather statements across much of New Brunswick. This includes Fredericton. It includes St. John. It does not include Moncton. We will see the high rainfall totals along the Fundy coastline, also of note in southern Nova Scotia as well. But across New Brunswick, where flooding continues to be a major concern, those totals will be something many residents, many officials are keeping their eyes on. We'll see these bands of heavy rain crossing through eastern Ontario, southern Quebec as we head through the evening tonight and into tomorrow. By supper time tonight, it arrives in Atlantic Canada. You get some heavy rain tomorrow morning and then a second round of very heavy rainfall heading into the afternoon on Saturday as well. Once all of this clears, it looks like we are in for a stretch of drier weather heading into next week. That's a look at the flood forecast. For now, we'll send it back to you.